Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Osmosis coin on Trust Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you already have your account set up, then just go ahead and open up the Trust Wallet application. You will be asked to log in either using your PIN or your biometrics. So just go ahead and log in and you will end up on the dashboard. Now simply tap on the buy button to search for your desired crypto. Now within the search box, just go ahead and type in Osmosis. Now once you find the Osmosis coin, just go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken to the buy screen. Now from the buy screen, you can simply select your currency from the top right corner and type in how much you want to spend. You will then be shown how much Osmosis you will receive. And since the best exchange is already selected by default, you can simply tap on the next button to proceed with buying your crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Osmosis on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.